Number 1. 1980 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead FLH, $5,500, Salisbury, Pennsylvania. The 1980 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead FLH represents the final years of the legendary Shovelhead era, a period known for classic styling and unmistakable V-twin character. These motorcycles remain highly desirable among enthusiasts who appreciate vintage Harley touring machines and their strong connection to American motorcycle history. Well-maintained examples continue to attract riders and collectors alike. This example is described as starting easily, shifting smoothly, and running with a quiet engine. Recent work includes rebuilt brakes, fresh powder coating, a new battery, and updated rear wiring. For buyers seeking a ready-to-ride shovelhead with classic Harley appeal, this FLH appears to be a solid option.
Number 2. 1975 Honda CB550-4, $5,000, Killington, Vermont. The 1975 Honda CB550-4 became one of Honda's most respected middleweight motorcycles thanks to its smooth inline-4 engine and everyday reliability. Often considered a smaller sibling to the CB750, the CB550 earned a reputation for balanced performance and comfortable riding manners. Today, these motorcycles remain popular among vintage Japanese bike enthusiasts. This example shows just over 11,000 miles and is described as running and riding great. The seller notes that the motorcycle remains almost entirely original, aside from tires and brakes. For riders looking for a clean and largely original Honda classic, this CB554 offers strong vintage appeal.
Number 3. 1969 Triumph Bonneville T120R, $4,500, Voluntown, Connecticut. The 1969 Triumph Bonneville T120R remains one of the most iconic British motorcycles ever produced, admired for its classic styling and lively twin-cylinder performance. During the late 1960s, the Bonneville became a symbol of British motorcycling and continues to attract collectors today. Matching numbers examples are especially desirable among enthusiasts. According to the seller, this motorcycle runs great and benefits from fresh paint, new tires, rebuilt carburetors, and a Boyer electronic ignition system. All fluids have also been changed, helping make the bike ready for regular use. For collectors seeking an affordable Bonneville, this T120R presents an attractive opportunity.
Number 4. 1982 Kawasaki KZ1100A, $3,200, Salem, Ohio. The 1982 Kawasaki KZ1100A was one of Kawasaki's flagship performance motorcycles, combining strong inline-4 power with excellent highway comfort. Known for reliability and long-distance capability, the KZ1100 became a favorite among riders who wanted both performance and practicality. These large displacement classics continue to hold strong appeal today. This example shows under 15,000 miles and is described as garage-kept, mostly stock, and ready to ride. The seller notes that it starts easily, runs strong, and everything works as it should. For buyers seeking a well-kept vintage Kawasaki with shaft drive reliability, this KZ1100A looks like a very solid value.
Number 5. 1989 Dnepr MT-11, $6,500, King George, Virginia. The 1989 Dnepr MT-11 carries a design heritage that traces back to pre-war BMW military motorcycles, giving it a unique place in motorcycle history. Equipped with a sidecar and reverse gear, the MT-11 offers a riding experience unlike most modern motorcycles. These Soviet-era machines remain popular among enthusiasts who appreciate their rugged character and mechanical simplicity. This example is described as an original, matching numbers motorcycle with low indicated mileage and a legitimate Virginia title. The seller notes that it starts easily and remains in good condition while retaining its vintage charm. For riders looking for a rare sidecar motorcycle that always attracts attention, this Dnepr presents a very unusual opportunity.
Number 6. 1973 Yamaha RD350 Cafe Racer, $3,500, Langhorne, Pennsylvania. The 1973 Yamaha RD350 is one of the most legendary two-stroke motorcycles ever produced, known for its lightweight chassis, quick acceleration, and exciting riding character. These bikes helped establish Yamaha's performance reputation during the 1970s and remain highly sought after by vintage motorcycle enthusiasts today. Well-preserved and modified examples continue to attract riders looking for classic two-stroke excitement. This cafe racer build features DG pipes, rear set controls, Clubman handlebars, LED lighting, and still retains the factory oil injection system. The seller also includes many original parts for buyers interested in returning the bike closer to stock form. With a clear title and strong vintage appeal, this RD350 looks ready for its next adventure.
Number 7. 1980 Moto Guzzi Monza V50, $2,000, Rhinebeck, New York. The 1980 Moto Guzzi Monza V50 is a lightweight Italian sport motorcycle known for its unique V-twin engine, agile handling, and distinctive European styling. Smaller displacement Moto Guzzis have developed a loyal following thanks to their character and uncommon presence on American roads. Today, clean examples remain attractive to collectors of vintage European motorcycles. This example is fitted with brand new tires and is described as being in good overall condition for its age. The seller notes that the motorcycle has not run in several years, making it a potential project for the next owner. For buyers seeking an affordable vintage Moto Guzzi, this Monza V50 offers plenty of potential.
Number 8. 1982 Suzuki GS750T, $2,000, Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. The 1982 Suzuki GS750T was part of Suzuki's highly respected GS lineup, a series known for durability, smooth performance, and comfortable road manners. These motorcycles became popular among riders looking for dependable four-cylinder power combined with everyday practicality. Today, GS models continue to be appreciated by vintage Japanese motorcycle enthusiasts. This example shows under 13,000 miles and has reportedly been garage-kept throughout its life. The seller states that the motorcycle runs but is no longer being used regularly. For riders looking for an affordable vintage Suzuki with classic styling and proven reliability, this GS750T presents an attractive value.
Number 9. 1984 Harley-Davidson XLX Ironhead Sportster, $4,500, Portland, Connecticut. The 1984 Harley-Davidson XLX Ironhead Sportster marks the final year of the famous Ironhead engine, making it an especially interesting model for Harley enthusiasts. Known for their rugged character and unmistakable V-twin sound, Ironhead Sportsters remain popular among riders who appreciate vintage Harley-Davidson motorcycles. Custom examples continue to have strong appeal within the classic motorcycle community. Nicknamed Pink Pony, this survivor bike features period custom paint, a rebuilt S&S carburetor, progressive shocks, fresh oil lines, and a new battery. The seller reports that it starts, runs, rides, and stops properly. For buyers seeking a unique and affordable Ironhead, this XLX offers plenty of old-school personality. Number 10. 1976 Kawasaki KZ750 Twin, $2,800, Pembroke, Massachusetts. The 1976 Kawasaki KZ750 Twin combined strong torque, simple engineering, and comfortable cruising manners into one dependable package. During the 1970s, these motorcycles earned a reputation for being practical, enjoyable riders that could handle both daily use and weekend trips. Today, they remain popular among enthusiasts who appreciate classic Japanese twins.
According to the seller, this motorcycle runs and rides great while benefiting from rebuilt carburetors and a new clutch cable. Aside from occasionally squeaky brakes, the bike is described as ready to ride and enjoy. For buyers seeking a classic Kawasaki with vintage charm and everyday usability, this KZ750 Twin looks like a solid choice.
Number 11. 1982 Triumph Bonneville 750 Electro, $7,950, Beaver Springs, Pennsylvania. The 1982 Triumph Bonneville 750 Electro represents the final years of the classic British Bonneville lineage, combining traditional styling with the convenience of electric start. Known for its smooth parallel twin engine and timeless design, the Bonneville remains one of the most recognizable motorcycles ever produced. These later Meriden-built models continue to attract enthusiasts who appreciate classic British character. This example shows just 7,840 miles and retains its factory original paint. The seller notes that everything works properly, including both the electric starter and backup kickstarter. With a transferable Pennsylvania antique plate and good title, this Bonneville appears ready for its next caretaker.
Number 12. 1976 Yamaha XS650, $4,800, Brooklyn, New York. The 1976 Yamaha XS650 remains one of the most respected Japanese twins ever built, admired for its strong torque, reliability, and classic styling. Inspired by British motorcycles but backed by Japanese engineering, the XS650 earned a loyal following that continues today. These motorcycles remain popular among both collectors and custom builders. This example retains its original paint and charging system while benefiting from several recent maintenance updates. The seller reports new tires, cleaned and balanced carburetors, and a rebuilt brake master cylinder. With both electric and kickstart functionality, this XS650 appears ready for regular riding.
Number 13. 1986 BMW R80 RT, $3,000, Lakewood, Ohio. The 1986 BMW R80 RT is a classic touring motorcycle known for its comfortable ergonomics, dependable boxer twin engine, and long-distance capability. During the 1980s, the R80 RT became a favorite among riders seeking reliability and practical touring performance. Well-maintained examples continue to be valued by vintage BMW enthusiasts. This motorcycle comes with extensive service records, original luggage, factory tools, spare parts, and a service manual. Recent work includes a rebuilt front brake system and fresh oil service. For riders looking for an affordable air-cooled BMW Tourer, this R80 RT offers substantial value.
Number 14. 1977 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead Chopper, $9,800, Littleton, Massachusetts. The 1977 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead Chopper captures the spirit of traditional American custom motorcycle culture. Powered by the legendary 74 cubic inch shovelhead engine, bikes like this remain highly desirable among enthusiasts who appreciate handcrafted style and vintage Harley performance. Classic choppers continue to hold a special place in motorcycle history. This example features a hardtail frame, jockey shift, foot clutch, mechanical rear brake, and several period-correct custom touches. The seller also notes a brand new charging system and S&S Super E carburetor. For buyers seeking an authentic, old-school chopper, this Harley offers plenty of vintage personality.
Number 15. 1984 Yamaha Virago 535, $800, Enosburg Falls, Vermont. The 1984 Yamaha Virago helped establish Yamaha's reputation in the cruiser market with its V-twin engine, shaft drive, and comfortable riding position. Known for reliability and easy ownership, early Viragos remained popular among riders looking for simple and affordable classic motorcycles. Their distinctive styling still stands out decades later. This example runs but will require carburetor work and a replacement front tire before returning to regular service. The seller includes a new air filter and carburetor rebuild kit to help move the project forward. For buyers seeking a low-cost restoration candidate, this Virago offers an inexpensive starting point.